The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Nei setiap da mitra kari haus rock bat NH-6 habernihat Riboy District hapadi ke Marti Alto wa Toyota Innova hewa waya ek Alto riyapu karwa arngut hag Innova men sojor ke ini tera da jia he par kamach paustain step hewa ke Alto ko M number ML10A 7049 walai na bernihat se terngah da tera ke Innova M number ML 10S 0011 waya da Manish Kumar Jha le phawundes nem ko wala che bernihat kiwasaki da ongiwa ko Alto to ko penher bha Wai mana poi go bernihat mi de waya open lai ka wai de kantiar go yo divider wa em per disurok wai de lai tera ko yak Innova haba ko Alto de em du waya don hi wotip kam helin lung do ndu house ne Wyrta kat wa hagi Innova em lengot wa kantup yo waya hai wa ko chong arngot de manso ki wai de kit yaki chaka thau sumara go hati nei liang gi polit ke bernihat outpost de poi gi hai ni tha wai de kit yo helin lung do che bernihat CHC hai wai de yap u chwa wo poi ha thau sumar